Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Samsung MX-T70, also known as the Giga Party Audio. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $700. Now you can also pick it up in stores. I bought this one from PC Richards. And let me tell you why. Now yesterday I went to PC Richards to buy those JBL speakers. And as I'm walking out the door, you know you got to stop at the front so they can check your receipt. Well, the manager just happened to be there. His name is Pedro. I shout out to Pedro. That's my new homie. So he checked my receipt. Everything was all good. And we got into a little conversation. He said, it looks like you're getting ready to have a party. And I said, nah, I bought this for something else. Because if I was having a party, my speaker's got to be twice as big as this. So he said, why don't you check out the Giga Party Audio? Now, I never heard of that. So I said, I bet. Show it to me. So as we walking toward the back, I'm thinking it's going to be some no-name brand speaker, but I notice we walking toward the Samsung section. Now look, y'all know how I feel about Samsung. I got a love-hate relationship with them. When Samsung makes a good product, I love it. And when they make a trash product, I'm the first one to bash it. Y'all remember the Galaxy Book Flex. So as soon as we got to that section and I seen all of the Samsung speakers, my nipples got hard immediately. I got mad excited. So he said, look, I'm going to play this song for you. It looked like some bachata music. I was like, nah, hold up. I need to hear Nipsey Hussle, Blue Laces 2. Now, on a side note, whenever you buy speakers or headphones and you want to check for bass, download Nipsey Hussle, Blue Laces 2, because that original bass line at the beginning will blow you away. So he said, all right, cool. Now, before he played the music, he had to make an announcement to the store. He was like, ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting ready to play some music. It's going to be ultra loud. Nobody get scared. When I heard that, Birdman hands rubbing together, I got even more excited. Soon as he hit play on the music, y'all know how that song starts. Oh, baby, it's been so long. Oh, babe. And when you hear that part at the beginning, that bass hits you. When the bass hit me on this one, I whipped out my debit card immediately and was like, I'll take two. All right, this speaker is tough. Now, look, on a side note, if you're ever in PC Richards in Queens, in College Point, make sure you holler at my man Pedro. Tell him Uncle Force sent you. Now, look, this is not a sponsored video, but when people show love to me, I like to show love in return. All right, so Pedro, this video is for you. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now, this is the MX-T70, all right, also known as the Giga Party Audio, $700. Now, you get 1,500 watts of power. That's RMS. You got bidirectional sound that'll fill any space. You got a built-in subwoofer that's 10 inches. Plus, you got bass booster for dynamic bass. Now, you got karaoke mode, so you can connect two microphones and go crazy. The speaker is splash resistant. Now, you also have Bluetooth multi-connection. So what that means is, once you pair up your phone, somebody else can pair up their phone, and y'all can take turns DJing without disconnecting each other's phones. So pair two devices at the same time. Now, you also got group play, so you can pair up to 10 speakers, wireless or wirelessly. All right, wireless or wirelessly. Now, you also got the Sound Tower app that's available for Android and iOS. And, of course, my favorite feature, RGB lights. Nothing sets the mood better than RGB lights. All right, $700. Let's unbox it and see what it is. All right, so here's everything you get in the box. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. You get the plug. You got a remote control that lets you change everything without using the app. And some batteries for the remote. Now, this is what the speaker looks like from the front. Just to get an idea of the size of the speaker, I got two JBL boombox and a Galaxy Fold on the table. Now, this is a floor standing speaker, so it's mad big. You're not going to be carrying this around. Here's how the speaker looks from the back. Now, let's take a closer look. Now, you got your Bluetooth pairing button, your add stereo button, your group play button, and you got two USB-A inputs. One is 5 volts, 2.1 amps, and the other one is 5 volts, 0.5 amps. Then you got a carrying handle. Then you got your echo control, your volume control. You got a 1/4-inch mic input. You got RCA in and out. You got a 3.5 auxiliary input. You got another 1/4-inch mic. You got your volume control and echo control for the second mic. And on the bottom, you got another carrying handle. Here's how it looks from the left. Here's how it looks from the right. Here's the bottom of the speaker. Now you got some lights, your bass port, and your plug input. Now here's the top of the speaker. You got your LED display, you got your power button, your light button, your source button, you got play and pause, volume up and down, and your bass button. Also on the top, there's a little slot so you can slap a phone or a tablet right there. All right, here's the Samsung Giga Party Audio app. Now if you go to settings, here's your speaker, you got bass boost, Bluetooth audio, you got your app settings, version, tips, and your license. Now you can change all your DJ beats when you're doing karaoke, and you can also change all of the light settings. And if you had music playing, it would show it. You can play and pause and skip and reverse your tracks. All right, so now let's do a sound test. Now, as usual, make sure you got on some good headphones or you're listening to this video on a quality system. If you're just using your phone or your tablet, it's going to sound like regular music. You're just going to have to take my word for it. All right, so we're going to start off at 50% volume, bass boost turned off. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to turn on bass boost and increase to maximum volume. All right, here we go. Yo. Now, I know this mic is not doing it any justice. This speaker sounds incredible. It's mad loud. That bass just knocked me back. Yo, this is crazy. All right, let me dim the lights so you can see the RGBs. Now for the part that I'm most excited about. How does two of these sound paired together? Let's find out. Alright, so I just paired two of these together. As far as the pairing process, real simple. On the first speaker, just hit add stereo. Go to the second speaker, hit add stereo, and just wait. It takes about 5 seconds, you're fully connected. Alright, so here we go. I got the official Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rubier. Let's go.
Sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rubier. Alright, here's a little bonus footage up in my little DJ booth.
Of 18.
Queens. Yo. Try to have it. Yeah. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Right clip this shit popping, we right back in the mall. Feeling another 6 drop when it was actually yours. It sound like hip hop when it was actually raw. I'm just a young trapper with a passion of flaws. Plus I got a knack to get the package across. All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface. I see these rappers nervous, black heat, black Suburbans. My ex-trapper got a job, so shit ain't working for. She don't pay a mortgage, then it's curtains for. I told her welcome back and put a Birkin for. Yeah. I fell in love with the game, and the pain that come with it. They in love with the fame. I just want riches, came back for the game. Told my hitters come with us. No umbrellas for the rain, and Rolls Royces come with them. If these niggas want these chains, tell these pussies come get them. If I back this 40 cal, them hollow tips gon' front flip them. This rap shit is confusing, it was trapping all the music. Masters or the users. Ratchets or computers, sucking traffic to a meeting, or traffic with a Ruger, politicking with the demons who actually maneuver.
Woo! I'm about to be having too much fun. Alright, let's wrap this up. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Samsung Giga Party Audio is a major go. I love the way the speaker sounds, and I love the way it looks. Now again, you got 1500 watts of RMS power, which we could debate. Now I don't have an RMS counter, so I don't know if it's really 1500 watts, and I don't care. The shit is mad loud. You got mad bass, you got karaoke mode, plug in 2 microphones, you and your friends could go crazy. It's splash resistant, so you can take it by the pool, take it to the barbecues. You got multi-pair connection, so this way if you got a lame DJ or you got kids that listen to all that tight pants shit, and you want to make sure they don't kill you with the music, both of y'all can pair up your phones and take turns DJing without the other one disconnecting. Now you can pair up to 10 speakers. You got the app that control all of the lights with the remote control. And again, those RGB lights look sick. Samsung Giga Party Audio, this is a triple major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No beat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up.